All right, welcome back. So it's a new day. I've already cleaned up some of the dust collection stuff and I've placed it over there. Now I need to get this workbench mobile. All right, so I went ahead and purchased some mobile casters from Amazon. I'll have a link in the description below. These casters have the ability to fold up and then lock down when you want to get your workbench mobile. All right, what I'll need for installation is going to be a 1/8 inch drill bit. I'm going to pre-drill my holes. The instructions don't say that it's necessary, but I want to avoid any splitting. It did come with a template. I'm going to go ahead and leverage this template. I'm going to cut off the bottom and then just align that right to the bottom of my workbench where I want these to go. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do that and we'll get started. First order of business, I'm just going to go ahead and cut on the line here. All right, let me show you how I set this up. So for my particular workbench, it's fairly easy to find center because it is 4 3/4 inch pieces of plywood sandwiched together, and the joint looks like that, okay? And so I'm just lining it up to the center, putting it at the very bottom, lining it up there, and then I'm going to go ahead and drill my holes, and that will center everything up. All right, let me go ahead and move the workbench by using the wheels, and I'll get it out here in the center of the workshop. That way I can then install the rest of the wheels, and we'll see how easy it is to move. All right, so stay tuned. Let me set you up for that. That was pretty simple. Now I don't have any wheels on the back, so I'm just gonna lift it and roll it. That moves pretty well. Now, let me see if I can turn it around and get a good view of the other side. I do have to say those wheels move pretty well. I was able to lift this heavy workbench and just easily turn it around. Very nice. All right, let's go ahead and install the rest. All right, so I have these wheels up. Let me go put the other ones up and we'll see how this thing rolls. Fairly easy to move. Almost feels lightweight. Now, because my garage is sloped, what I like to do is I like to put these blocks underneath, and these are just 3/4 inch blocks, and over the distance of the workbench, these make a perfect leveling feet. All right, so let me go ahead and do that. Nice. That's pretty stable. Not going anywhere. And those are completely off. So there you have it. Inexpensive workbench casters that are quick and easy to install. Thanks for watching. We're gonna come back soon and clean up the rest of this workshop and get things rearranged for the new surprise to the channel. Have a great day.